mic right now. I dare you open mic, MJ. Oh, alright, scary nigga. You staying at me, bitch.
You said what?
Fuck you talking about?
You said what?
You's a bitch.
You scary. Shut up, faggot.
Hey, King, tell you to get over there with that ass.
I am.
Yeah, I'm saying, shut your pussy ass up, ugly ass nigga. Fuck is wrong with this nigga? This nigga mama gonna see something. This nigga mama gonna know some pussy ass ugly ass nigga from you, bitch. Oh, bad ass nigga. Bitch, your mama gonna teach you the nose. Bitch, your mama gonna 60 50. Bitch, your ugly ass nigga. This nigga mama gonna dance in the ass ugly ass nigga. What are you talking about, bitch? You know what the fuck is? Bitch ass nigga. What did mama say? 1, 2. Back in my shit. 3, 4. Back in some more. What is that fucking magic bitch? That come out right? Bitch, that nigga back in the middle. Bitch, say push up and knock him the fuck out. Bitch, you
talk be like that. So ugly, don't go. You better ask that day, you fat boy, you don't go. Shut your talking to you, bitch. You don't go. You know what? You better ask that day, talk about.
bitch, you fucking the milk. Fuck is wrong with you, bitch? Oh, bald ass nigga, fuck is wrong with this nigga? Hey, bitch ass nigga, mama came out nowhere, but butt ass nigga. And this nigga mama slacking with booty shits. And this nigga mama gonna stop sending the watch. And this nigga mama gonna holler at you the most.